Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 30i and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. As I said, I will be using the Google Chrome, but no worries, basically this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so you will be able to recreate these steps. So now we have to tap on the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and of course if you want, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing data, simply tap on clear browsing data at the top, so on this option. And here we've got some basic options, so the browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days or even all time, so it's up to you. And then tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.